What's that, buddy?
What's that? Airplane. Airplane. Look at that. Hey. Whoa.
What's that?
Tractor. Tractor.
Tractor?
Oh, don't break it. Airplane.
Airplane.
Yeah.
Good job.
Tractor.
Tractor. Good job, buddy.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Airplane. What else is in here? Elephant. Ouch.
Elephant. Want to get this back? Here, Evan, here, take this. Sit down, take it here. Take your sockets on the floor.
What's in there? Oh.
There. Sit down, open it up. What you got in there? What's that? Is that a hippo?
Hippo. Rhino. Can you say rhino? Rhino.
Tractor.
Tchotchkes?
Yeah.
Tractor.
Alligator. Or is that a crocodile?
Tractor.
Wide
Alligator.
nose, so it might be a crocodile. What else is
What
in
else,
here?
buddy?
Whoa! Oh, damn.
God. Car. Truck.
Horse.
What you got, buddy?
It doesn't stand very well. Oh, it's got a bum leg.
Oh, did I get a bow? You know why? Because I shoved it in the bottom of the stocking. Airplane. Airplane.
Oh,
Oh. He's okay.
put down, make some glue.
What you got, Bubs? Got new stuff?
Look at this. What's this? What is that? Helicopter?
Helicopter. Oh, all my vehicles over here.
Tractor.
Evan, what else? What else is down there? What else do you have down there? What's that? What's this?
Truck.
That's not a truck. You know what those are. What are those?
Truck.
That's bubble. Bubbles.
Truck.
Cars.
Truck.
It's tractor. Close to a truck.
Truck.
That's a truck. It's a fire truck.
Bag.
Car.
Car, yeah.
Truck.
Truck. And we're done.